All right. What is going on, everybody? Hey, welcome to Markets in the Afternoon. I'm Jeff. We are We are live. Yes, sir. We are live. We got lots to talk about. It's 2:30 Central Standard Time. Markets taking a beating. Let me move this over here really quickly before we dive into the market. See what's happening. I got Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is breaking support to the downside. That is not good. Not good at all, right? We're breaking this key level. We're falling in this zone. If Bitcoin cannot get back above 59,858, so let's just say 59,900, next area could go to is 57,000. Right, you break one support level, you go to the next. It is one of the worst on the board today. And that is not good, right? We were looking for it to bounce here. Didn't do it. But we got lots to talk about. We're going to look at S&P 500, Russell 2000. We're going to look at gold. We'll look at the dollar, obviously Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, all that good stuff. So let's rock and roll. Right now, XRP against Bitcoin is up 2.55%. So XRP is stronger today than Bitcoin. And you can see right here, XRP is actually pretty stable today. A 0.80%. We did break through that support level, which is where Bitcoin is breaking now. We're just kind of chopping around sideways, not doing much. I did see just a minute ago that Ripple basically what do? They counter appealed. Let's go to Twitter really quickly. It's all over the place, but so let's see here. Go kind of to my news feed. SEC. I know we saw it right here. They counter appealed or something like that. Where you had the tired ass SEC. There it is, right there. Cross appeal. XRP. So Ripple files its cross appeal to Judge Torres. Good. SEC is a bunch of pricks. That's great news. They need to fight back on those idiots. Damn, look at that. Over 100. What? People who, man. That's crazy. So anyway, cross appeal. That's good. Doesn't do shit to the price, but hey, kept it stable. So NVIDIA, I always look at NVIDIA as part of things that we look at. NVIDIA is in the tech space. We pay attention to NVIDIA. It's a good indication. NVIDIA, a lot stronger than Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, if you go back here to the August 26th high, NVIDIA broke 2 days ago, had what I call a second chance breakout opportunity, and now it's following through. So it broke out, pulled back into that S1 level, gone. Okay, but again, look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin hasn't even come close to its high. So NVIDIA is definitely leading Bitcoin. XRP again, 52 cents. So that's positive right now. Gold. Now look at gold. Gold is in a beautiful uptrend. Whenever you get these stacked moving averages, the blue above the red above the pink. So this is the 8 exponential, 21, 34. When it's stacked to the upside, a lot of strength. You can see here, for those of you that are traders that utilize this squeeze, it's a great time to start building a position. Doesn't matter what time frame you use. I talk about it all the time. You can see here, we had this nice run up. We pause. Whenever you go on that squeeze, you can accumulate ahead of its next big move. So you can see right here, barely, we're starting our first black dot. So from here, we might consolidate, build up some more energy before our next big pop. And since the moving averages are stacked to the upside, we would expect gold to break to the upside. But that's how you do it, right? Right here. You accumulate whenever they take a break, if you're a trader, right, trend pattern squeeze, right, trend goes into a pattern, squeeze, pop. But gold's up today right now, 0.83. The dollar. So the dollar has been really strong as of late. And that's one of the reasons why, Bitcoin is going down. When the dollar's strong, we expect Bitcoin to go down. And that's what's happening, right? When the dollar's strong, it's just kind of the way it is, right? And look, we just, we're just crossing. That's one of the things. There's a lot of traders, including myself, that you look to see these crosses in its moving averages. So it's shifting from that downtrend to that uptrend. This squeeze fire long. So there's a specific pattern. I call it that money pattern. And you'll see, man, this will come up here. These will kind of work like that. And then it'll do this. Price will come back. And that is that money shot. I'll show you on Tron, right? When Tron reversed trend, but the dollar's reversing. And again, take a look at as of September 30th, this has been going up. So, and look at Bitcoin. Been going down. Now, again, there was a couple of days they were up, but for the most part, it's down. And we're breaking that support level. But that's it right there, right? The DXY for the dollar. But you want to watch these U.S. dollar index futures. I'm not saying you trade it, but you need to know what's going on because it's a clue. We want to see that dollar just break. But correlations change. But as of right now, the dollar is strong. Man, and look, the dollar had been going down since July 5th, right? And Bitcoin, I mean, it has been kind of going sideways. But look, as of September 7th, we had that nice run up, right? As of September 7th, go here to September 7th, that run down. So inverse correlations. Correlations do change, but as of right now, it's the way it goes. Now, the S&P 500 right now is down. Okay, but it's been strong, right? S&P yesterday, let me zoom in where you can really see, broke out to a new high. We broke through one of my key levels. We're doing what I call that second chance breakout. So it's breaking out. It's pulling back right into that S1 level. Again, if that can hold, I'm expecting a big pop tomorrow. And that's good, right? We want to see this S&P follow through. When the S&P breaks out and runs, we're expecting Bitcoin to follow through. But again, Bitcoin just, we're going to get to that in more detail in a second, but it's fucking looking ugly. Ugly. All right. Also on the other screen, I use 𝗙𝘂𝘁𝗂𝗿𝗀 by Charles Schwab. I day trade the S&P 500 every day. I day trade live for members and students of the school. Okay, we just day trade just the S&P. And then we swing trade options. But at the end of the day, I'm liking to look for opportunities. So I'm kind of going through my watch list that we build in the morning, looking for opportunities to enter trades. But it did break out and it is paused. It's down 17, so it is fighting back. If you go look at it from a small time frame, again, I utilize the 3-minute chart to day trade. Kind of just not doing too much. But let me move this back over to Sykes. I don't know if a lot of y'all have thinkorswim, but I do day trade using that. But you can day trade doing anything, right? Ninja Trader, Click Futures, all sorts of good stuff. But I day trade the S&P 500. I've been doing that for a long time. All right, but so anyway, down 17. We'll see how it finishes up. Stock market's got another 20 minutes to go before it closes. See if we can hold that support level. Ethereum. Damn you, Ethereum. Okay. Ethereum is down 0.28, 2,361. That's where it's sitting right now, but it is down today. Okay, just working its way in between key levels. We'll see how we react to that 2,300 key level when it comes down to it. See if we can get some reversal signs or if it's going to pop through. As of right now, it's just kind of in the middle. No man's land. Russell 2000. Russell 2000 down today with the market. Okay, Dow Jones is down 124. So all the indexes, Russell 2000, Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, they're all down. S&P. Right now, again, the market still got 20 minutes. Shit. You never know what's going to happen, but this right here has just been kind of doing nothing. We're in that orange squeeze, but down today. Cardano. All right. Cardano has pulled back into one of my key levels. So what I want to do is I want to drop it down here into this 30-minute chart. I love this 30-minute chart. Okay, I really do. It looks clean. Plus, when it comes into my key level, this is where I'm going to be looking for reversal patterns. As a trader or short-term investor, when it comes into your key levels, you're going to look for reversal patterns. I love that it's going in a squeeze. Love it. And for those of you that trade Cardano, or you're just a short-term investor looking to pick it up at good levels, what we want to watch, these are stacked to the downside. Again, I had that money pattern, right? You want to see this kind of cross. That could be a first opportunity when these moving averages start to cross. This momentum shifts back to the upside. It's going to go from red to yellow right here. And the yellow we want to see shift to blue. Kind of like it did right there. Get back above that 0. Usually we'll see if that squeeze fires. We cross. And then again, I'm looking for that comeback. That's a beautiful add point. I'm going to show you in a minute on Tron. But there it is. So would I buy it right now? No. No. But I like where we're at. Coinbase. Coinbase is... Let me draw my level here. Coinbase today is confirming this key level. So we're just working our way into, actually this is, Coinbase. Coming down under that $160 a share for those of you that trade stocks. I've been in the stock market for 25 years. I've been a money manager. I teach people basically the exact strategies that money managers use, right? So when you go to like Edwards & Jones or Merrill Lynch and give them your retirement and tell them to manage your funds, I teach people how to do that because that's what I did. I managed over $100 million. So now I teach people how to do that. The exact strategies that money managers are using, like selling puts, cover calls, mutual funds, all that good stuff. But Coinbase is down. Coinbase is down. And good old Bitcoin. Again, I know we looked at in the beginning, but 59,000. You son of a bitch. Right there at that key level. So take a look at this. Now let's drop it down. It did not hold. Now, it can break the key level and go back up, but you see these stacked moving averages to the downside. These stacked moving averages to the downside. Hey, look at that. Just so you know, right? They've been pretty much stacked to the downside. There's a tiny little bump up here, but they've been stacked to the downside. Heavy selling pressure. I look for these key levels, these reversal patterns, but until we start to cross, which again, we might base, Bitcoin's not reversing. It could go straight up and do what's called a W pattern, but it would have to clip that. But W pattern, V bottom, do a V bottom. V bottoms are rare. Okay, they basically go like that. That's rare. Most of the time, this will form some type of reversal pattern. W, double bottom, inverted head and shoulders. This will go into that squeeze. These moving averages will start to cross. Game time. But I'm not buying Bitcoin right now. Oh, heck no. But Bitcoin is down. So believe it or not, XRP up. Bitcoin down. I want to go look at Tron. Tron was showing a lot of strength. 15 cents. Now, Tron, okay, this is what I'm talking about. So Tron, we came down into this key level, we bounced. We did what's called a breakout. It's one of the best times to get in these trades, and now we're pulling back. We want to see that 1578 area hold. That's what we want to see hold. Right now, we're sandwiched in between these key levels, but let me show you. Okay, you can see, damn, Tron, you son of a bitch. Okay, look at this, look at this, look at this. All right, back here, my friends. Go back here. So this was back on August the 6th. We were coming down into that key level. I'm giving you guys right now the money shot. For those of you that are listening or watching, this is the money pattern, man. It's Prince money. Prince money. All right, so we come into that key level. We're stacked to the downside. Cross. The blue crosses the red, crosses the pink. You can take a shot right there, right? The momentum went from yellow, red to blue. There it is. That's the money. That's the first shot. Then as it works its way up, the blue makes another trip back down. Okay, and then it crossed right there. Back in a squeeze. There it goes. That is your ad. That's a beautiful picture. It comes up, comes down, bam. For those of you that leverage trade, you can set your stop loss right underneath there. But check this out. So then it started its uptrend. Beautiful. And then what do? Right? Goes in a squeeze. That's the time that you can position size whenever price is in between these moving averages. Right? That buy zone. Okay, that's what we call it. The buy zone. Ahead of its movement. Bam. And there we go again. Right here. In that squeeze. This is your time. You buy when it's in a squeeze. Again, if you're trading with the trend, if you're trying to add, you could catch on that bottom. But if you're looking to add for you traders, right there, look. Consolidating in the squeeze, in that buy zone. Pow. Momentum has stayed above. Now look at this. The blue crossed this to the downside. You stop buying right now. Stop buying. Okay. Momentum went under the zero line. You want to see that momentum stay above, right? Keep going. Keep going. Right? And this is kind of that first shot to the downside. It crossed, came back up, bam. Stop loss right there for those of you that are leverage traders. Same concept. But now we want to see it come back down in this area and do the same thing, right? That we did back here. Cross, and then to repeat the cycle. So you have a lot of opportunities. Again, if you're looking to trade, this is a very simple way. How you do it? I'm telling you right now. You buy, you can buy, and then you can add in the buy zone, right? Boom, fired, it crosses. If you are a short-term trader, you can get out. But it all starts when price comes into that key level. What's the worst on the board? Shiba. So Shiba, right now, again, as new levels present themselves, key levels, you draw in there, market's down only 15, so it is fighting back. S&P 500 down 15, NASDAQ down 46, Dow down 123. Okay. Wait for it to come. So Shiba's down today. Doge, again, working its way down into that 0.101. I'm not going to get excited until it comes down in this area. Like right here. When was that? October the 3rd. Let's go back in time. On the money man, Doge. Right here. There it is. That's what happened, right? Momentum was down. We crossed to the upside. Time to get in. Now, I never really pull back. Sometimes it pulls back. Sometimes it doesn't. That's why you can get in there. And then when you're in the squeeze, in that buy zone, right, in between that blue and that pink, that's the buy zone. Buy in that squeeze. Okay, and then it just kind of started chopping around sideways, right? Went back into a squeeze and just kind of worked its way up, building these higher lows. And there you go, right? Right now, again, you're stacked to the downside. You definitely don't want to enter Doge right here. Let it come down. Be patient. No problem. You don't have to call the bottom. Again, it's not the time to do it anyway. Chain link. S&P's down 13. I'm wondering if we're going to finish. Oh, perfect. So like right here, chain link is coming into your daily key level. So if you are a trader and you want evidence of a reversal, is now the time to do it? No, now's not the time to buy. We're still stacked. It could keep going down. All right, keep going down. You want to see that cross, get some type of reversal pattern, shift in that momentum, and that'll be your opportunity down in this level. All right, but chain link's down today, 0.67. I'm not going to go into detail on all of them anymore, but again, I like Cardano. I'm watching Cardano. Well, let me look at Cardano. Yeah, not time yet. It's one of my favorites. Matic. Matic's sitting right on top of a key level as well. Again, is it time to buy? No. Polygon, I can just leave that pulled up. Let me do this so we can see it. So Polygon is still stacked to the downside. Not now. Litecoin. Litecoin's bouncing around in between key levels. Okay, again, still stacked to the downside. It's still got room to fall. Could drop down to the 61 area. It's not the time. So just kind of getting pounded, right? Getting pounded. Let's go back up here and do a brand new source. See how the market's closing out. Gold still up. XRP hanging in there. Not doing much. Ondo's came back a little bit. Ondo is right there at a key level. Right at a key level. Again, look for that to cross. Right, wait for that moving average to cross. Let that momentum shift. You're in no hurry. Polka dots up a little bit, basically flat. Sitting right on top of that key level. They all look pretty similar. You're in that squeeze. Let that momentum shift. Cross those moving averages. Take your shot down in this area. Okay? And take your shots. If you are a trader. But a lot of red, man. A lot of red. Market's 12. So you can see, let me go back to that S&P 500. Market's fighting back. S&P 500 is only down. On TradingView, it just went green. TD Ameritrade, it's right there. It's fighting back pretty hard there at the end. If we go drop it down into 3 minute, you can see this was the time to enter. If you're a day trader late in the afternoon, you could have entered right here, 1439. You'd be up pretty decently right now. Okay, so there was a shot right there. See how this closes out, but it's fighting back a little bit. Again, oil's up, silver's up. Bounced off that key level today. Gold's up. All the indexes are down. But I am looking for those of you that are in the school, which again, a lot of you, right? Andy, Rafa, John, Jeff, Wando, Marco, Mark, Jason, all you guys right now, y'all are here. Again, we're live in the university and we're live for channel members. In the university, yeah, I'm with you, Jason. I got you, brother. I got you. We talked about this today quite a bit in the options swing trading, how to leverage stocks like NVIDIA, Coinbase to the upside or the downside, make some money, but there's nothing much going on right now. I'm just curious to see if this market, it's only 8. It actually might finish positive for the day. Big old swings, big old swing. But Bitcoin is just looking ugly. So that's kind of what we got going on here. Watch Bitcoin. Keep an eye on the market. You know, again, gold, pay attention to gold. The dollar, we want to see if this dollar can cross back to the downside, drop back down. I don't like it, though, that it's reversing to the upside. It's not It's not very good for Bitcoin. At least that's the correlation right now. But we'll see what happens. Tomorrow will bring a different day. So join me tomorrow for day trading in the morning. I'm going to day trade the S&P 500. We do it live. We do it on the 3-minute time frame, utilizing all sorts of different metrics, right? Trying to make money every day. So for those of you that are into day trading the S&P 500, make sure you join us tomorrow, right? And again, I know y'all in the university right now, y'all are here. We're going to do it tomorrow for sure, right? And channel members, you're welcome to attend. Then we'll do option swing trading tomorrow as well. Our goal is, this is all I do. I do this for a living. I trade full-time. I teach full-time. I'm a published author. You guys know. And again, all of y'all inside the school right now, I know you know. And for channel members, if you want to join us, or we teach you, right? Teach you how to day trade. Teach you how to trade options if that's what you want to do. Can show you kind of my money pattern here of crypto. Just how to profit, then check in the description. All right. That's what we got. We'll see you back here in the morning for day trading. Peace.